All right, so we are in a 2022 Hyundai Elantra N. This is a pretty amazing car. It's in manual. I'm ready to go rip. So we're at Waterford Hills Raceway. This is a pretty tight and technical track. It's definitely, you don't need a very high power car to drive this. So this car actually does pretty damn well. I'm very, very excited. I'm hopping out of a turbo Miata I have a feeling that this is going to be a lot easier to drive. So we've got the car pretty much in full N mode. I have rev matching on. I definitely really enjoy having rev matching on the track. You're able to really brake late and brake hard and just essentially dump it into gear. There we go. Get on track. Let's get the tires up to temp. Car's already pretty freaking hot. It was just out. Yeah, this is a really great feeling car. Seats really hold you in. That's one of my complaints about my car, is that you're kind of just thrown around. I noticed that the throttle is very floaty. It's not very responsive, but the power itself is really pretty amazing. The brakes, holy crap. Brakes are great. You're really able to cut in. Feel that front diff just completely biting. All right, we're getting used to it now. You can hear those tires fucking screaming as I'm trying to get them to turn. All right, we'll let this RX-7 by. RX-8, my bad. Just shot a massive fucking fireball. Not bad at all. Let's try to keep up with him, shall we? Now that we got the tires up to temp, really making him scream. It's definitely very interesting coming out of a rear-wheel drive car directly into a front-wheel drive. Wow, great brakes, holy. There we go. So this car is actually having issues getting into second gear. It's actually kind of hilarious. Hyundai installed the clutch backwards. So that's a TSB for these cars. So it's got to go back, get that taken off. There we go. Let's get this power. Now watch how I just dump the brakes. See that? That's why it's so important to have a full modern ABS system. All right, we're gonna do a hot lap here. Probably the last one before we cool it down. Oh man, really felt that lockout there. I had no gear. Well, that's that lap ruined. This is definitely the most peaceful car I've ever driven on track. It's very therapeutic. Man, I'm so impressed with these brakes. I keep underestimating them in every single braking zone. And partially it's because this is not my car. Not trying to go, you know, two balls to the wall. Let's see if it grabs second here. It does. Good job, little car. Oh yeah. Man, this LSD is absolutely insane. You can feel it helping you every single turn. It wants you to go faster. All right. We just got to reel it home. This is my favorite section of the track. Dip it in. Hump this curb a little bit. There you go. Hit that. Bring it out. Hit that apex. Out wide. Bring it home. There we go. That's our hot lap. Absolutely amazing car. I'm gonna let it cool down now. This is one of those cars that you can tell they had motorsports in mind making this. That is what this car is made for. There is very few cars where you can just take them from the factory like this and drive balls to the walls for 20-minute sessions without overheating. Or brake fade for that matter. These are fucking stock brake pads. I mean, that is absolutely nuts. You tell me another car for 34K that can do that, I'll fucking give you a high five. Sure, the BRZs and the GR86s, they're great for sure, but they do require a bit of work. They need alignments and they need oil coolers. This really does not need anything. All right, bring it on back. Yeah, absolutely amazing car. This is, man, it's it's fantastic that in 2022 we still have some manufacturers that are giving us these, because these are not going to be around for a long time. Let me tell you, EVs are the future, and that's just the way that it is. Same with hydrogen cars. They're going to be pushed pretty hard. But man, if you're in the market for a fun daily, I don't know if I can recommend any other car. I mean, this is practical. It drives well. It's amazing. And with that, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put them below. I'll try to answer them. But yeah, man, awesome. Awesome car. I love it.